The 2025 Toyota GR86 versus the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Let's find out which of these sports cars wins out. GR86's standard 228 horsepower four-cylinder engine has more power than MX-5 Miata. GR86's available dual-zone automatic climate control system is designed to bring added comfort over MX-5 Miata. GR86 has an edge in convenience versus MX-5 Miata thanks to a standard one-piece folding rear seat back and seating for four. Now let's put GR86 and MX-5 Miata side by side. For 2025, GR86 is offered in three grades: GR86, GR86 Premium, and the jaw-dropping GR86 Hakone Edition. GR86 Hakone Edition stands out from the very start thanks to its stylish ridge green exterior. Then there are the 18-inch satin bronze-finished alloy wheels that are sure to turn heads. And its inside is a style tour de force for drivers. There are heated ultra-suede trimmed front seats with tan leather trimmed bolsters, a striped shift knob, plus tan contrast stitching. Mazda MX-5 Miata offers four grades including the 35th Anniversary Edition, which includes specific details like tan Nappa leather trimmed seats with the 35th Anniversary logo. Drivers will be happy to hear that GR86 is a performer. Featuring a closed-roofed body structure, GR86 is all about the thrills. GR86's 2.4-liter Boxer four-cylinder engine makes 228 horsepower, which is more than MX-5 Miata's standard 181 horsepower 2-liter engine. Both sports cars are available with either a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission. A Torsen limited slip rear differential also comes standard on GR86, while Mazda MX-5 Miata's asymmetric limited slip differential is only included on models equipped with a manual transmission. Together with the standard GR circuit-tuned suspension and steering, GR86 is ready to bring it for a pulse-quickening, grin-inducing good time. MX-5 Miata does offer a sport-tuned suspension with Bilstein dampers, but only on manual-equipped models. GR86's standard electric power steering with a 13.5:1 ratio is designed for immediate responses to the driver's input, especially compared to MX-5 Miata's slower 15.5:1 ratio. GR86 drivers that opt for the available performance package are in for a treat. In it, they'll find front and rear Brembo brakes that are designed to add fade resistance and Sachs dampers that are designed to enhance damping control, making every moment behind the wheel so exhilarating. Brembo front brakes are available on MX-5 Miata as part of the BBS Brembo Recaro package but leaves out the rear ones. This package also adds forged 17-inch BBS alloy wheels, heated Recaro seats, and an aero kit. When it comes to exterior design, the GR86 does a few things that MX-5 Miata does not. GR86 has a front grille with functional air inlet ducts, while MX-5 Miata does not. GR86 also has functional black-painted front wheel arch air outlet vents, another feature that MX-5 Miata lacks. GR86 also makes 18-inch wheels available, while MX-5 Miata only has 17-inch units. GR86 delivers on comfort with features like its available dual-zone automatic climate control system. It's one that MX-5 Miata can't match with its single-zone setup. Things get even more relaxed on GR86 with available heated ultra-suede trimmed front seats. MX-5 Miata has available leather-trimmed heated seats. Additionally, GR86 seats four and has a standard one-piece folding rear seatback. MX-5 Miata has less seating capacity at 2, and it does not have an equivalent to GR86's one-piece folding rear seatback. GR86 also has a standard 7-inch digital gauge cluster that's larger than MX-5 Miata's 4.6-inch LCD display, keeping important information front and center. In terms of audio multimedia, GR86 has a standard 8-inch touchscreen. This interface includes standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in cabin and even more on the SiriusXM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Mazda MX-5 Miata has an 8.8-inch display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, Amazon Alexa compatibility, and a 3-month SiriusXM trial. GR86 also includes trials for Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, and Remote Connect. MX-5 Miata includes a 1-year trial to Mazda Connect services. Every GR86 comes standard with the GR86 Active Safety Suite, which includes the pre-collision braking system, lane departure warning with sway warning, automatic high beams, adaptive cruise control, and on automatic models, pre-collision throttle management. MX-5 Miata offers similar features as part of the iActiveSense suite of driver assistance features. However, the Mazda Radar cruise control system is only included on automatic-equipped models, while high beam control is exclusive to the Grand Touring grade and the 35th Anniversary Edition. GR86 also has available blind spot detection, an available adaptive front lighting system, and available rear parking sonar with reverse automatic braking. Mazda MX-5 Miata comes standard with blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert and has an available adaptive front lighting system. However, it does not have an equivalent to GR86's available rear parking sonar with reverse automatic braking. GR86's strong value is seen in its Toyota Care, which includes 2 years or 25,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first, and 2 years unlimited mileage 24-hour roadside assistance. There's also a complimentary 1-year membership to the National Autosport Association, NASA, which includes 1 free high-performance driving event. Both GR86 and MX-5 Miata include a 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, whichever comes first, and a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, whichever comes first. With its energetic performance and style that pays homage to Toyota's sports car heritage, the 2025 GR86 is ready to hit the road in search of good times. Discover GR86 today at Toyota.com.